Hello people, this is just a response video to somebody who inquired on Reddit how NDEs are evidence for the afterlife or could be construed as evidence. Now this individual talks about how the brain can somehow trick itself. This individual uses the example of you get happy when you are with your kids or by birthing children because it's a survival instinct to get your genes passed over to the next generation. But you also can be happy with your body while on drugs and stuff. Sorry about that. Now, what this individual has forgotten to mention is if you go onto the NDE subreddit, you will see a bunch of research onto this. I pointed out that during these events, according to Sam Panera, there is zero brain activity 30 seconds after a cardiac arrest, for example. So you are saying that these hallucinations or events are occurring while there's no chemical reaction happening. But your whole argument is that we are conscious and alive because of these chemical reactions. But when they're not happening, we still are. So that's basically it. Oh, and before people say I'm a straw man, let me go full steel man with this argument. He then goes on to state other things like how we are just these chemicals and consciousness stuff that happens inside our brains. Before he stated that we are about how our brains can trick us naturally by using, like giving birth or eating a chili or doing whatever you like, or synthetically through drug use. And I have stated earlier just now, your whole argument then rests on the hardware not working. But all the current research and new research states that the hardware is still working. So I don't know. There was even the NCBI journal was even referenced the other day when talking about this in the NDE subreddit. So I don't know what to tell you. If even peer-reviewed research doesn't please you. And on this, when other peer review comes out, let's just take it a step further. When other peer review comes out, do you doubt that? Do you doubt the peer review on vaccines now with COVID? Just a thought. I'm not attacking, I'm just wondering.